Hi guys, and welcome back to this episode of KREC-TECH. We're going to be doing something a little bit... Oh, one moment.
It's me, Mario!
Today we're going to be looking at something very exciting. We're going to be looking at JavaScript games that are built under 13 kilobytes. Now that is tiny. Building a game under 13 kilobytes, it blows my mind even to this day. So what we're going to do is we're going to be diving into some games and we're going to have a little bit of fun with it and we're going to see how we get on. So with that in mind, stick around, let us know in the comments what you think of this video, and let's jump right in. Okay guys, so we got our first game and it looks like this is a JS13K game from 2018. This is ONOFF by Brad Dunbar and Daniel Marino. So let's jump right in, see what we got. Alright. Start game. No. That's interesting. On, off. Huh. Okay. Oh. Let's try that again. Okay. Nice little platformer. Not too bad. Okay. Wow. Now that is impressive. I like this. Alright, okay. Okay, let's try. Whoa, okay. That jumps high. I mean, Mario, he's out of here. Whoa, okay. Okay. Drop. No. Oh. Drop. Jump. Whoa. I'm enjoying this. Okay. See how far we can get. Whoa, oh. It is actually... Wow. Whoa. Okay, I don't know how he does that. Whoa. He seems to be jumping incredibly high. Okay. Now I know I'm going to be dying a lot with this one. So here we go. Okay. Now, that was impressive. Let's keep going. Okay. Oh, no. Okay. No. Oh, good idea. Jump. Ah. No. Run. Jump. No. Up. Come on, we got this. Come on, little man. That is awesome. I mean, the graphics is incredible. They're not amazing, shall I say. Oh. But you don't need anything extravagant. Sometimes it is just purely having a fun, creative idea. I mean, what these developers did, this is incredible. I mean, the fact that you can just very simply in 13 kilobytes create a game that is just purely jumping, but changing literally the background from black to white, and that's it. And as you do it, it just creates this really fun platformer experience. I mean, I have to admit, I'm actually having a very addictive time right now. Oh, no, come on. It's also very challenging, as much as it may not look like it. Okay. Oh, come on. Whew. Okay, I'm starting to get wound up now. Come on. That's it. Land it. Jump. Land. Whew. Okay, right. On that note, we're going to stop that one right there. And let's jump into the next one. Okay guys, welcome back to the next one. That is Super Chrono Portal Maker. I mean, this is Maxime Uzier and Anders Carr. Now, apologies if I said that wrong, guys. But this guy, again, has a very Mario feel, but it seems to have Portal Maker in it. So I'm assuming it's maybe some Portal Mario mixed breed, but you know, don't mind. Let's just jump right in as always, guys, and let's see what we're up against. So we're gonna just play level 1. What am I against? Oh, okay. Oh, we're getting all the coins because I'm very competitive and I want to win. Okay, I can't see us going well. Please do not Whew. Now I was afraid. I knew something was going to happen there. Like something was going to pop out and catch me. Level 2? I think this is going to get hard fast. Pop. You know what? Let's just carry on. Forget those coins, man. Who needs them? Alright. Okay, right. Now, I'm not convinced about this jump. Yeah! Ooh, that was close. Oh. Are you serious? Maybe get all coins? Okay, restart. Going up. Or not. Really good? Really? Okay. There we go. Now we're getting a coin. There we go. And I'm assuming we're going to break the blocks, but whether we had to or not, who knows, but this guy's head I feel sorry for. I mean, I always thought about Mario. I mean, he must just be a walking concussion half the time. But I suppose that's the plumbing industry. Yeah. Ah, that makes sense. I was. Oh, really? Really? Don't move. There we go. Jump. There we go. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Now let's see how we get on here. I mean, again, guys, I have to give credit for whoever makes these games. These are amazing. I mean, the audio. Okay, I'm gonna try that one more time. But the audio, I mean, that is so catchy. I'm enjoying that alone. I could sit here and just listen to it. Then the other aspect as well is the creative side. I mean, making these games, they're not easy. And for anyone that does them, I take my hats off to you. Because it takes time as well. And I think sometimes we can look at games and think, well, surely that's easy. There's no challenge to it. It's not hard. But actually, I mean, I set you a challenge to go out there and try to remake this game and tell me how you get on. Because if you find it easy, then I would be incredibly surprised and I would probably eat my shoe. And that's without actually going out using the additional software. I want you to go out there and code it from scratch and create the artwork and then let me know how you get on. But you can use a micro engine as well. So, we're going to stop there anyway, guys, but that game there, I am thoroughly enjoying it. I mean, if I wasn't recording this, I would spend a lot of time on this. I mean, it is amusing me just as it is. So, well done to you guys who created this, incredible. Hey guys, and welcome to the next one. This is Offline Paradise, and it has an incredible feel to the game. I mean, the music is really relaxing, and it just seems very smooth. I mean, at the moment, I'm not seeing too much to it, and Paradise has been turned offline. Now, there's not much going on, at least what we're seeing at the moment, but it's very relaxing, and I feel very calm playing this. What is the cause of this? Press space to jump. Okay, that was a big jump, but this is really calm. It seems a little bit laggy, a little bit slow, and that's okay. Where did these obstacles come from? Well, I mean, I have a super jump, so probably won't apply to me. And where are we going? I mean, that music, absolutely gorgeous. No way, I have just developed wings. And now I'm going to fly even more. Wow, okay. Use your wings and press space. And I'm assuming that's to jump. Okay, that was not what we were meant to do, but aha! Use your wings. No? So, what do we do? That's actually quite challenging. Let's try again. Well, it's not going to be that. Use your wings and press space to dash. Let's try again. To the side. Ah! Now we got it. Talk about being silly. And across. Huh. Okay, that's quite cool. Oh, that was very, very close. They didn't call me professional for nothing. Look at that. Dash through it to release the essence of this paradise. Huh. I think I may have just cocked that one up. How about we try again? What just happened? Now I'm assuming that was to go to the next level, but apparently it's the essence of paradise. If that's how they want to play it. Okay guys, but that was fun, and I absolutely love this game. It is so enticing, it's mesmerizing. There's something about it that it just has a really relaxing and peaceful feel about it. And again, like the one before, I could just spend so long playing this, but we ain't got time for that. So we're gonna jump on to the final game, guys. Let's get right into it. Okay, and we're in for the final game. Everyone's Skies. Follow a quick tutorial? No, because we're too much of a good gamer. Or, like I want to believe. Press space, or bring peace to the galaxy, or war. Dismiss, okay? Everyone's... Hey, I got guns! And... they aren't really doing anything to asteroid right there. But, whoop, system discovered, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Incoming communication. Wow, what is going on? Respond. Yes. Collect some resources. Okay. Accept. It's quite fast paced. Collect resources. Whoa. Okay, we're getting shot at. There's an enemy. And there's the sun. Wow, there's a lot happening right now. Missiles? Fire missiles. Where are you? Which button? Shift. No. Capital. Command. Okay, we don't have missiles. Alt. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Okay, right, we're going back for him. Where are you? Come on then. Whoop, here we go. He's on planet Kagmat. If that is even a word. Take him out. Take him out. Shields are flying. No. We're out of here. Okay, forget that. And we're going into planet. How are we still alive? And we're dead. That was tough. But, I mean, game over, you were barely noticed.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Wow. Thanks for destroying my confidence there. That was great. But this game, guys, it's incredible. I mean, look at this. It's an asteroid version game, but yeah, it's got a huge galaxy. And again, this is 13 kilobytes. 13 kilobytes. System discovered, HYYVAC. Saying it is ridiculously hard. Right, we're going to accept this. We respond, and we are going to collect some resources by probably taking him out. Come on. Shoot the planet. No, that's not good. Okay, here is he. Where is he? Come on. Where are you? Where are you? He's here somewhere. Okay. Shots fired. Oh, well, he seems to be dead because he got destroyed by an asteroid. Aha! I'm assuming that's our resources. Yes. And we have a minute and 30 seconds left to get another 90. But where on earth are these people? You know what? Shoot the planet. There we go. Aha! I see. You shoot the planet to get the enemies to come out. And then you shoot the enemies. Now this makes sense. Oh, okay. I'm not doing too well. I'm going to get shot. Oh, that was very close. Does that mean more will appear? Shields offline. That's not good. You know what? Let's just go for a little fly around. Let's see what is around here. Let's explore this galaxy. Because I am really intrigued to see what we find. And how big is this? Look at this. We're still flying and we found another planet. I'm assuming that's our friend? Maybe? Must be. Oh, yeah, because the reds are shooting us and the greens are our allies. Let's just keep going up. What is up here? In the void of space, what will we find? I would love to hear David Attenborough's voice over this one. Out in the galaxy, where it is void, one man flies to his doom. And I'm still going. I mean, this blows my mind. Oh, mission failed. Cav with X will remember that. Oh dear. That's probably going to bite me in the backside. That's it. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this episode where we looked at different games with the JS13 Games competition that hosts every year, and it's on GitHub as well. I will post a link in the description below so you can then go and check them out for yourself as well and have a little go. But please, guys, again, if you enjoyed this, please drop a comment in the section below. Let me know what you think of this and that. And if you want to see more of it, hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that like too. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.